The rather tatty Hoover Junior 1346A that we looked at a while ago is now not quite so tatty, although it is still a Hoover Junior 1346A. Yes, this has come up beautifully and has had zero so far new parts. It's got the same motor bearings in, it's got the same brush roll bearings in, just cleaned and re-greased / re-oiled. At the minute it's got the same belt fitted, but I don't know, I think the belt might be a little bit worn. Let's have a look at how it's come out, see how it works now, and see if we do need to change the belt perhaps. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this is pretty much, bar the couple of scuffs on the faceplate, out of the box as new. Really is amazing how well these can come up if you're lucky and the front of your hood isn't completely chewed up where it's just been smashed into the furniture for the past 50 years, sort of like you can see a little bit of on there, but from a normal distance away via a camera and an internet connection, it looks all right, doesn't it? Let's see what we changed. Now, I did lie a little bit in my monologue at the beginning. We have changed one part. We changed the bag because I do draw the line at cleaning out and making as new non-genuine paper bags. So we have the industry standard cheapo old Sevo bag fitted inside of it so that the completely washed and fresh outer bag will no longer get a fine layer of dust in it over time. Yeah, said bag is fitted very nicely. I think the only other thing to note was the cord hook was a little bit loose, and what I did was just capillary, just drip a little bit of Q-Bond in underneath so it soaks in and just sticks it down. Really, it is a worthwhile bodge. We'll take off the sadly modern, but it's a plug nonetheless. It's even got, happened to find this, although it did say on it is a Kirby one, although I don't quite know where the Kirby logo is. I think it's underneath it, but yeah, bang, a Kirby, Phoenix, a Kirby cord clip in my toolbox. Again, always like to fit a cord clip to these because the reason you see them with the bottom part of the handle all smashed off is where the plug hangs down and just bangs around. At least if you have a cord clip, it doesn't do it really, and will save what is a beautiful handle indeed. Oh, we bring you down a bit and we'll have a closer look at the hood, which retro brighted and then polished up an absolute treat. It is very, very shiny and very, very white indeed. Underneath is actually very shiny as well, and the brush roll came up really nicely too. The brush strips are genuine. I'll do this the right way so I don't pull the belt off. Brush strips are genuine Hoover, so it must have seen some work and then never used again after it was serviced, or maybe Mr. Ritchie has fitted some genuine brush strips to it. I don't know. Yeah, everything else is nice and clean and tidy. It just goes to show really that you can take one of these from a disgusting condition and make it look new with no new parts and just time and elbow grease. Very nice indeed. Right, let's test it out and see how it performs with the belt that it had on it when I got it, because I don't know, it's a good condition belt, but I do think it is just a little bit soft, bless it. Let's double check. actually. That isn't as bad as it was when I first tested. I think the main problem is that when it's pulling back on this rug, it's skipping over the uneven pile. And that's what's causing it to be a little bit lackluster. Let's try a deeper pile of carpet, and we'll raise it into setting 3. There's nothing wrong with that now. Nothing wrong at all. Setting 4, bless it, because this carpet isn't stuck down everywhere. Yeah, there isn't actually anything wrong with that at all. It's just my rug that hates everything that we throw at it. There's even a ghost mark of the cleaner itself. So, another successful operation. The patient is completely transformed, and yeah, no new bearings, not even a new belt. Haha! I was correct at the beginning, bar the bag, which don't really class as a new part, you know, a bag is a bag, and we would not be molded a belt if it needed one, but I don't think it does. I think the belt is absolutely fine. So we'll put the cable back on, and yeah, there we go. Another old Hoover successfully restored and ready to go back to its loving owner. So, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I, but not this, will see you soon. Bye bye.